Want to make your designs come alive with smooth animations in Canva? In this video, I will show you how to animate in Canva in just a few simple steps. Today, you will learn how to add motion to your text, images, and elements so your design looks more dynamic and engaging. Whether you are making a social media post, a presentation, or even a short video, Canva makes it very easy to apply animations without needing advanced skills. Start by opening your Canva design. Select the text or element you want to animate. On the top toolbar, you will see an option called Animate. Click on it, and you will see a panel with different animation styles. These include options like fade, pan, rise, tumble, pop, and many others. Hovering over each option gives you a preview of how the animation will look. Once you find the one you like, simply click on it to apply. If you are working with multiple elements, you can apply different animations to each one. This lets you create sequences where items appear at different times. Canva also gives you timing and direction options, so you can decide how fast or slow the motion happens and from which side it enters the screen. When you are happy with the result, click the play button at the top to preview the entire animation. If everything looks good, export your design as an MP4 video or a GIF, depending on your needs. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section.